So the floor is essentially finished. Here's the final product.
Dusting my lungs, fire in my chest. Half a lifetime gone, but I ain't done yet. 40 years of miles, scars I can't erase. Now I'm...
ChatGPT says I mix 1,825 grams of part A and then 675 grams of part B. And that'll be my floor for the first coat.
Back at the line, staring fear in the face. They say slow down, man, at your age. But my heart still burns like a bike on the gate. Got a number on my plate and dirt in my blood. No perfect rider, just rise from the mud. Every crash, every scar, every doubt in my head. Just another reason I ain't finished yet. I knew I'm dead, back from the edge. Vintage soul, but I still won't quit. 74 and I'm chasing the rush. Through the dirt, through the fear, through the dust. Father inside, we're crossing the line. Tracks across Europe, one road at a time.
Some dust getting in it because I have the trailer open. It's windy. Basically what we got here is the floor down here has had some sand. I'm going to sand some of these rougher edges down, and then I'm going to wipe it down with acetone, blow it out. Then I'm going to put the ramp up. And then I'm going to come in through the side door over here, and then I'm going to paint the floor from back to front and exit out that way and keep the floor sealed. So the last coat on here is perfect. I'm also going to be putting the chips down, so we'll see how this goes, but wish me luck.
You can count my years, but don't count me out. Noob Dad, hear me now.
All right, so that's closed up. It'll be a little dark, but no wind. All right, here we go. We're going to attempt to do this.
Trailer packed up, sunrise on the glass. Border signs flying while the world rolls past. Germany nights and mountainside tracks. Every wrong turn somehow pulls me back. My boy beside me chasing his own dream, learning what it means when life cuts deep. Fall down hard, stand taller again. That's the story written under our skin. Pain fades fast, but the memories stay. Little more grit every single day. I'm Noob Dad, back from the edge. Vintage soul.
Hopefully this turns out the way I wanted.
But I still won't quit. 74 and I'm chasing the rush. Through the dirt, through the fear, through the dust. Our father and son, we're crossing the line. Tracks across Europe, one road at a time. You can count my years, but don't count me out. Noob Dad.
All right, I don't know how to do it any different than I just did, but the clear coat is on. I got the trailer floor pretty much done. There's a couple imperfections I'm gonna have to fix, but for the most part, it's really good. I got the yellow and blue Husqvarna chips, and then I put a clear coat, a garage clear coat on, which I'm very happy with. Very pleased with this floor.
Hear me now.
All right, so now what we got here is our sticker that we're gonna put on.
I won't fade, I won't run. Still got fire with the setting sun. Every bruise, every bend, a second chance begins again. I'm Noob Dad, stronger than down. Years on my back, but I'm breaking out. 74 and I'm chasing the sound of dirt bikes screaming and the wheels off the...
So that turned out great. Texture is perfect, it's non-slip. couple wrinkles in here, but hey, I'll take that. I think the whole area here turned out amazing.
Ground, father and son, this road ain't done. One more.
Fuck. Yep, that's what happens. Knew that was gonna happen. That's what happens when I play with the razor blade. Got my finger all taped up here. It's been about 40 minutes putting pressure on it. It's still bleeding, so I got it pretty good. I'm gonna go with a little bit more controllable knife that I was using before, and just continue working on this thing.
Beneath the sun, you can count
Here's the final product.
my years, but don't